Hello guys, thank you for visiting my channel. And this video guys is not for a professional one. This video is just for beginner. So for who they want to fix their shoes at home by themselves guys. In this video I want to show how to stitch a sports shoe correctly and nicely with the correct techniques. So keep watching the video guys. Okay guys, let's do it. And firstly guys, we should make the liner for the rope guys. And how to make this one? Like this guys. Okay, let's do it. It's so simple and very easy guys, very easy. Just pull like this guys. You see here the line is very nicely, so the rope is not easy to putus lah guys. What is putus? I don't know lah guys. Just do it like this guys. It's so easy. Easy guys. We make it from cutter like knife cutter. It's so cheap, very cheap. We can get it in a store or market. Ya tahu lah guys di mana guys. It's very easy and so fast ya guys. Oh guys, sorry guys, my English is not so perfect lah. So after we make the line, we can continue to sewing guys, and then we sewing. So I will take my needle shoe. Where is my needle shoe? Oh, here guys. So I gonna use the different color from the outsole, because I want to show you what is the apparently apa ya guys. It's okay guys. Different color for the rope, and the sole is different color guys. So you can see the ratio. You can see the ratio easily guys. So we starting just step the needle inside like this guys, like this, and then take the rope and hold the rope like this guys, because the needle inside the shoes guys, like this, my finger like this, the rope like this, and then the needle like this guys. Touch the needle and the finger, and then release the rope. It's very easy guys. Once again I want to show you guys the needle like this, and then touch the needle with our finger like this, and release the rope like this guys. And then pull out the rope. Okay guys, now we practice. Just step the needle like this, and then take the rope, and then hold the rope like this, guys, and then we try it. So now, and then pull out the rope, guys. Pull out like this, and then we measure the rope in order not wash too much the rope, guys. Like this, guys, like this is enough to complete the stitching and not wasting too much the rope, guys. Okay guys, and then we step again the needle with the same distance, guys. 1 centimeter is very enough and will look good, the ratio, like this, guys. We do the same thing like the first. The technique is the same. The technique is the same, guys. Hold the rope like this, and then touching the needle like this, and release the rope like this, and then pull out, guys. It's very easy. So step about 1 centimeter, the distance 1 centimeter, and then pull the rope, and then, guys, this one like this, and then pull this rope, and then pull it like this, that. Now after like this, pull this one like this, guys. Oh, very easy, guys. It's not difficult, it's easy. And then keep do it the same thing like this. Step, it's 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter again, and then pull the rope inside to outside, and then make like this. What is easy? Ini simple, guys, simple. Indonesia. Aduh, guys, my smoking, guys. And then, guys, like this, guys. Nah, we do the same thing until finish, guys. I will gonna show you several stitching, and then you can see the result when I finish the stitching, guys. Now this one, like this. So I gonna do it my stitching until finish, and then I gonna show you, guys. This is very easy, guys, like this. I will complete my work, but I gonna change the rope color first, because this shoe is customer shoes, guys. Okay, I will opening, and then I will stitch again, and then I gonna show you the result, guys. Okay, guys, I have stitching all around the shoes, all around the outsole, and just one more step to finish. So we have to lock the stitching in order the shoes or the stitching, the sewing keep strain forever. So we have to lock. How to lock, guys? Just keep step forward like this until finish, guys. Until finish. The starting rope and the final rope is meet here, and then we have to reverse, guys. Reverse one step back. one step back like this, step here, pull the rope, guys. So I have reverse, one step reverse, and then pull the rope, and then do like this, guys. Do like this, one, and then two, like this, guys. So we can pull the rope, the inside rope, pull like this, guys. It's so easy. That's mean the sewing or the stitching finish, guys. And then you can see the ratio, and we cut here the rope, and then cut the inside rope also, and then burn with the lighter. Just burn like this. See the result, guys. See, the rope is inside the liner, not outside. So when the stitching, not easy to cut the rope. Whatever stone, sand, or whatever will not cut the rope, guys. So guys, just easy and very simple like that. How to stitch sports shoes correctly and keep straight forever. So guys, this video is just for beginner. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for help raising my channel. See you again.